Yeah. You hold it, I'll show you. Yeah. So if you go to the main screen, see this is Unity. Yeah. This is Unity. Double click on Unity. Yeah. So you'll get this bit. Yeah. So this one you need to have login password, which they will give you. So this opens up, okay? In this one, this is the power chart, okay? This power chart here, yeah? Double click. It will take like few seconds. So once you double click, so this page opens up, yeah? So this is the hospital Unity system, yeah? Here there is a arrow mark where you have to scroll down and you get a RX, this MRN.
Yeah.
So if you put MRN,
Okay.
yeah. So if you put MRN and then the hospital number is RXK,
Yeah.
say this patient is five five 15556, yeah. So you need to put the MRN first, like as I told you, and
Yeah.
then put this, yeah, and then press enter. It's a bit tiny, I don't know why. Yeah, if you click that, this opens up, and then in this one just double click. This will be the patient data, okay? In the patient's data, the only thing what you need to know is go to this documentation, okay? So if you click on documentation, all the things opens up, yeah? If you just click on any of these, you'll know what it is. Like this one, I have done pre-anesthetic assessment for this patient, yeah? So this is my pre-anesthetic assessment. And then if you want to see some letters from any, like file, you know, you open file and see everything. Same, you'll get all the details, like this is surgeon's notes and discharge summary, all that will be there. And then here, if you go to results review, yeah, you'll get all the results, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Sometimes you will not find results here. You will get only the recent results. If you want old results, see here CDA. On the same screen, press CDA. It will open up her old results and old files. See, this is a different system. In this one, again, if you go to patient results, you will get all the old results. Yeah.
Two seconds.
Okay.
I have my one table up, a table down, a table down.
Table down.
Yeah. It's my- Tell me what you're doing.
Yeah. So here you'll find
Time
everything.
for advantage if you want to increase the respiratory rate.
No, it's all right.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is that CDA where you'll find all the old lab results as well.
Okay.
And if you want old documents, again here clinical documents, you'll find all the old clinical documents. Yeah. So if I'll just close that for a moment, and here again, this is the main Unity system. On documentation, if you want to write anesthetic assessment, go to add, yeah, I'm recording this, yeah, go to power note, yeah, in documentation add, sorry,
Okay, now.
so power note, yeah, click on power note, so this will come up, yeah, here in search, press ANA, yeah, and then press enter. And here is the pre-anesthetic evaluation. Double click on this. Then this page comes up, and if you just say OK here, you'll get a pre-filled anesthetic form. Here just use free text and write all the history like diabetes, hypertension and all that. And then when you go down, here all the vitals will be there, and class 1 or class 2, urgency, scoring. Just keep clicking on what all you want, and if you press general here, if it is a general anesthetic, then anesthetic plan discussed, you just click, it will highlight like that, yeah. And then if you go to what all risks you have discussed, if you press general risks, all the general risks will come up. If you have spoken neuraxial risks, all the neuraxial risks will come up. You just need to highlight what all you have told the patient. And then if you go to physical examination, this is the only other bit you need to know, and press airway, yeah. Then you'll get all the airway things here. You just fill up, just click M Malampati 2, adequate opening, normal, full range, and then if you sign and submit, it will.
Yeah.
I don't want
And
to
then
do that,
after
yeah.
that you have to refresh the page.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
So I'm just cancelling this, yeah. That's how you do the anesthetic assessment. Once you do the anesthetic assessment, here is request and care plans, okay. Here if you click, this page will open, yeah. Here plus add and again ANA. If you press that and press enter, you'll get anesthetic day case surgery, yeah. Here if you click on that, here you have all the preformed drugs for that patient's post-op. So you see it's all clicked there. If you just press initiate now, yeah, this is asking for oxygen. You need to fill that oxygen. There is no need to know that, but okay, anyhow, if you just click all that and then order for signatures, then it will be prescribed for post-op. That is all you need to know.
Okay.
So pre-anesthetic evaluation and drug chart.
Okay.
If you know that much,
Yes,
and now you know how to search for documents for previous things,
Yeah.
and you know how to see results, and if there is no results here, go for CDA, and there you'll find results.
Okay.
That is all you need to know.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
That's all.
That's it.